To send money from Wise, start by creating an account on the Wise website or mobile app. Provide the required information, including your name, email address, and password, and verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Wise. Once your account is set up, log in and click on the Send Money option. Choose the currency you want to send and the currency you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to send and review the exchange rate and fees. Next, add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You can also add a reference to the transfer, which can be useful for the recipient to identify the payment. Wise will then ask you to verify the recipient's identity and confirm the transfer details. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information to avoid any errors. To fund the transfer, you can use a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Wise will guide you through the payment process and provide you with a receipt once the payment is complete. The transfer will then be processed by Wise, and the recipient will receive the funds in their bank account. You can track the status of the transfer on your Wise account dashboard. It is essential to note that Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, which is the rate that banks and financial institutions use to trade currencies. This means you will get a fair and transparent exchange rate, without any hidden fees. Wise also provides a secure and reliable way to send money, with robust security measures in place to protect your transactions. Your money is held in a separate account, and Wise is regulated by financial authorities in many countries. In conclusion, sending money from Wise is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and using Wise, you can send money quickly, securely, and at a low cost, with transparent exchange rates and fees.